If I have to say one conclusion about the shoes, if you want a stylish running shoes which are right now in trend, which also provides you value and budget, these are the go-to sneakers, guys. Hi guys, this is Ishan. Welcome back to my channel, Find Your Style with me. Today, yes, I'm back with one more sneaker review. Actually, this is the Puma Fast Rider, which was called way back in 1980s, and they reintegrated the style with all the color blocking technology and with the rider foam, and they named it as Puma Future Ride On running shoes, or you can use it as a lifestyle sneaker because of the color blocking technique which goes into that. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribe to this channel and click on the bell button not to miss out on any content like this. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, let's start with where I got the sneakers from. I got the sneakers from the Flipkart. These sneakers, actually, these were released just 15 days back, and in India, Puma is promoting the sneakers like crazy. If you see their Instagram handle, Facebook handle, wherever you see the Puma outlets, they are promoting the sneakers because of the color blocking and with the past success the sneaker had at that time. These are priced at 6,000 rupees, but however, I got it in Flipkart for a discount, guys. That's I will show somewhere on the right or left hand side where I got this and for how much I got it for. I got it in a size of EU 43, which equals to Indian size of UK 9, just for the point of reference for you guys. So opening the box, let's see the sneakers. And coming to the upper materials, what they have used for the shoes. This shoe have the gray upper suede material and a nylon material followed by the upper rubber and leather materials. Actually here at the eyelets, it have 7 eyelets here. If you see this very closely, it has 7 eyelets followed by the Puma branding on the tongue, and the tongue is made of nylon, as well as the mesh area and nylon area following with this Puma branding and Puma stripe following this. I'm not sure why these red tabs exist here. Maybe these are part of the design, and but the attention to detail with the color combinations what they have used, aesthetically, color wise, actually that's a good touch because of the red sole. Because of the red sole, it color matches with that, and the shoelaces. So coming to the color combinations here, you can see the blue color, black color, red, white, gray. Specialty for the shoe is the sole. This sole have the shock resistant technology. Because of this, you can see this very closely. This sole have the shock resistant technology, which minimizes the impact of your shock, like while walking or while running or whatever it is. The shock absorbing Puma feather bean outsole. This is the shock absorbing outsole. You can see this, and it reduces the impact of your shock every time while you run or jog with these shoes. So coming to the tongue area, if you observe this very closely, here they have the sponge left, something like Adidas night joggers, which I reviewed very recently. I suggest you guys to check that video out with a link in my description below, or somewhere I will leave the link on the left or right hand side. And there is an advantage with this, guys, and I will tell this in the later part of the video. So let's get into the different factors. Like if you are aware of this channel, we do the FIS style of review where I go into the different components of the shoes. So let's start with the versatility. Versatility, yes, there is no point on discussing the versatility because of the number of colors this shoe have. But I have tuned it down and I have selected this color version, which have the white and gray as the neutral along with the black Puma logo, just for the versatility purpose. They do have the different OG style, different color combinations of the mustards, orange and red, purple, green, all the color combination. I have gone with somewhat circular combination, even though it sounds weird with all these colors. Yes, so we can color match, but the advantage with the color block sneakers, guys, I will tell you. For example, generally the sneakers you will match according to your outfit. Like for example, the t-shirt or shirt, you will color coordinate it. These kind of multi-color sneakers, it's very easy to color coordinate because like it is in these colors, like some color you might be wearing. So that is the advantage with this but versatility, like it's not like super versatile, but it's not bad either. And the durability, except for the suede overlays, and suede overlays, they do not have much portion of the suede overlays except for the back side as well as the front side. But I'm not, just like personally, I'm not a big fan of using a portion of the suede leather at the front and back, because these are the areas which are the most exposed areas in your shoe. So I don't want that at the front and back. Like for example, if you go for the Adidas night joggers, if you go sneakers, they are at the eyelets areas. Here the eyelets areas, they have given the leather reinforcements with the normal PU leather, and they have gone for the suede. I know this is a part of the design, this is a part of the style, but however, I'm not a big fan of it. It's durable, but it is like, as you know, that suede leather, it will be tough to clean. I'm not a big fan of just giving them at the front and back. But however, durability, it's not like super durable, but it's like durable if you maintain and if you take a good care of it. I don't see any problem with the durability. Yes, as I said, the same with the durability. Whatever the drawbacks I have seen in the durability, just you have to maintain the shoes because the suede leather, it's even a lighter color, it's in the gray color, so you have to just maintain that. Comfort, guys, actually I'm very much surprised when I opened the box and when I have seen the ads and everything, and even though I have seen a little bit history on the Puma Fast Rider, which were released way back in 1980s. Those were comfortable, but I didn't expect it for some reason. I'm not sure, like maybe the shock resistant, the sole, the feather bean sole, what they have used, the shock resistant one. And if you press this, like here, you can see that impact. So this is one of the reason. And second reason is it is a minor detail, guys, but I just wanted to point out this, the tongue part which they have used, they have this foam. This gives that extra comfort on the upper portion of your leg, and so that overall it adds to the overall comfort. You will feel that these shoes are much more comfortable than what you think because of the sponge which they have used till here, which gives an extra cushioning even on the upper portion of your leg. These are one of the most comfortable which you can get at this price range. Even if you go to the sides of the shoe, if you see that they have the cushioning effect, they have added these, guys. They did not cheap out on this because of the 6,000 price tag what they are keeping. They didn't cheap out on this. Yes, there is nothing to discuss about this. As I told, these are available in multiple color options and multiple series. They have the OG series, they have, this is the ride-on ones, and they have the play. So I will leave all the links in the description below. And coming to the availability, as these are the new sneakers, these are available in each and every Puma outlet store, and these are available even in the online sites. And these are priced mostly at 6,000 rupees, and the OG version I think it costs 7,000 rupees. But like as I said, keep on wishlisting them until and unless you wanted to try immediately whatever the new releases are, and you like the color combination, you want some running sneakers which are comfortable as well as stylish. You can buy this, or else wait for the discount period. Like at least if you get 30 to 40%, 3,500 to 4,000, you can justify the price, and these are much more valuable for that price. But I can say that these are valuable even for 6,000 just for the comfort and style factor. I hope you guys like this video. Feel free to click the like button and subscribe to this channel not to miss out on any content like this. Follow me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram ID in the description below, and you can follow me at Seshank_FYS on Instagram. And feel free to like direct message me in case if you want to know any further details about the shoes, or drop me a comment. You want to see any latest release from Puma, I will make that happen. That's it from me. See you guys next time.